iPhone 13 Pro and the Sony A7C, because I want to know if this phone can be used for, you know, YouTube videos at home. You get me? But I don't have it in the cinematic mode as yet. So this is just a regular video mode. But let me switch it to the cinematic mode and let me see what it looks like. So now I have it on the cinematic mode and it looks pretty good. Pretty good. It's kind of a bit soft, but I can work with it. It's not that bad. So Apple has outdone themselves, man, I lie, because like the iPhone 13 Pro right over here is pretty good. So I'm gonna put up the specs of what I'm using right now. So right here. So I'm using the front camera. So on the Sony A7C, I'm using this setup, which is a Sigma Art 35 f1.4, but I'm shooting at f2 to try and slightly match up with the, well, not slightly match up, to try and make the iPhone 13 match up to the Sony quality, because the f-stop on the iPhone 13 right now is actually at f2. So I just want to see how good them two cameras are look, if the iPhone 13 can be like a B cam, can be a A cam. But the focus is pretty good, yo, it's pretty good. Background separation, you know, you can see, look, this is my earring. It's not really, the edges are not that sharp, but it's okay, you can use it same way. Right now the focus box is just tracking my face. Let's track my face good. Yeah. Alright, so one of the best thing I can use to test this tracking mechanism, or the cinematic mode as them say, is using a product, because I'm using the front camera on the iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm just going to show you guys, this is how it looks. Right, I got so much space to work with, compared to the A7C, which I have not much space because I'm shooting on a 35, right? Even though it's a full frame sensor and both cameras are basically almost the same, like almost the same space from each other, but with the iPhone it's just, with the iPhone 13 this is what it looks like if you're going to shoot like YouTube videos at home. Because normally people are going to use the front camera. The back camera is way better, but normally people are going to use the front camera because they can see themselves, right? So one of the best ways to test out the cinematic mode on the iPhone 13 for people who does like makeup and, you know, like unboxing type of videos, very simple. So this is the box from the iPhone 13. So let me see how fast the autofocus is on this mobile device. Bam. Okay. Yeah, not bad. So you know, with the Sony, you gotta pick up that already and bring back focus. But if you have phone, if you pick up the focus like this, it's not focused on the box as yet because my face is there. So if I should hide behind the box is pretty big, so I can't really see what's going on. It'll hide, yeah. So if I put my hand right here, that's so fast it focus. Yo, this is nice. Watch it. Because my face is in the shot, so it's focusing on trying to focus on my face. Yo, but it can actually work. It actually can work. I'm going a little closer. It actually can work. Yeah, so I think this is like my new, well, probably not mine, but yeah, I like it. And I'm testing out the audio on the iPhone 13 as well for hearing sound if you need an additional mic, right? But more than likely you need an additional mic to get better audio. But right now I'm recording with the Zoom H5 to get better audio from the Sony A7C. But this is pretty good. I like it. So you guys would have to be the judge if it's usable. You get me? If it's usable. Because normally when I post like some of my TikTok videos, people say, how do you get your videos look so cinematic? The background looks so blurry. No need to worry. The iPhone 13 can get that type of look. It's not going to be that sharp because I'm going to punch in and show you how both videos look together. Alright. So you tell me how this looks. Yeah, you tell me what do you think about it. Not look that bad. but I love how it tracks my face super fast and the focus is super fast. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Testing out the iPhone 13 for YouTube to make YouTube videos. Not bad. So I'll see you guys again in another video. Alright, try to turn this off.